Hello, welcome back. Before we dive into how to add your Discord bot to your server, here's a quick recap of what our Discord subscription bot actually does. With this bot, you can create and manage all your subscription plans directly from the admin panel. On the user side, anyone can launch the bot using the /start command, select a plan, and complete their payment, which goes directly to your connected Stripe or PayPal account. Once the payment is successful, the user instantly gets access to the paid Discord channel. And when their subscription expires, the bot automatically removes their access, fully automated, no manual work required. If you haven't watched the previous video yet, make sure to check it out first. Now in this video, we will explain how you can create your Discord bot using the Discord Developer Application Portal, how to get your bot token, and what settings you need to configure inside your Discord panel. To begin, open the link, discord.com/developer/applications. Click on New Application, enter a name for your bot, tap Create, and complete the human verification. After that, you can add an icon, description, and other details if you want. Now go to the bot section on the left side. Here, click on Reset Token, choose Yes, do it, and enter the password you used when you created your Discord account. Tap Submit. Your bot token will now be visible. Copy this token, then scroll down and enable the following options. Presence intent. Server members intent. Message content intent. Next, in the bot permissions section, enable administrator and tap Save Changes. One important point to remember. Do not turn on requires OAuth 2 code grant. Keep this option disabled. Now the token you copied should be sent to us so we can activate your bot and make it live. After that, you will be able to connect your Discord server easily. So now let's see how you can add the bot to your server. Go to the admin panel. On the left side, open the Setup Guide section, and you will see the option Add Bot to your Discord server. Create a server in Discord if you haven't already. Copy the bot invite URL and paste it into your browser. Make sure you are logged in to Discord on that browser. Paste the URL, continue, and select your server. Your server will appear in the list. After selecting the server, click Continue, then click Authorize, and complete the CAPTCHA. Make sure you are logged in with your primary Discord account, only then this step will complete successfully. Once done, your bot will be authorized on the server. Now go to your Discord server and check the general channel. You will see a message confirming the bot has been added, something like Subscription bot just landed. When a user types the /start command, the bot will start, and the responses will be visible only to that specific user. All subscription-related messages remain private between the user and the bot. To confirm everything is set up correctly, go back to the admin panel, open the Setup Guide, and at the top in the drop-down menu you will see that your server has been successfully added. And that's it. Thanks for watching.